Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font size on your Amazon shopping app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to change your font size on your Android, on your Amazon shopping app, what we need to do is I'm going to just show you the current font size on my Amazon shopping app. You can see it's quite small. So to make this larger, I need to head back and click into my settings app on my device. Now from here, we need to go ahead and navigate to display. Then from display, scroll down and click onto font size and style. And now at the bottom of the page, you'll see font size. And at the moment, it's a scroller and it's set all the way to the left. And that means it's going to make it smaller. If I make it to the right, it's going to make the font size larger. So go ahead and choose what size of font you want to increase it to. I want to keep it around the middle here. And if I go back to my Amazon shopping app, the font size should be increased. So as you can see, it makes it a lot easier to see.